If you're a website designer right now, we need to have a very important conversation. As you know, the landscape of what's happening with AI is moving faster than any of us can imagine. And now you're not only competing on price and on value with other web designers in the world, but you're competing against AI, the websites that can be created in seconds. But here's the good news. There's actually an opportunity in this uncertain economic time for you to profit. You see, when you really think about it, our skills are more in demand than ever before if you'll make a few fundamental shifts for your future. Consumers and customers of the clients that you serve are glued to their phones and their laptops. It's important that businesses now adopt not just websites, but full-blown systems. So if you've been in the business of developing beautiful, animated, fully well done and mobile optimized brochures, now is the time to step into the world of engineering CRMs, back-end lead capture, automation, and certainly embracing AI and how it's going to help improve a business's overall profitability. Then those businesses will pay you well in exchange. I started my career as a website designer out of grad school over 13 years ago, and when I did it from a place of desperation. I was desperately trying to prove that I had what it takes. I was trying to make sure that people knew that my achievement was more than just the diplomas and the degrees, but that I could actually get myself out of student loan debt and prosper in this world. What quickly became a very exciting time also turned into rounds and rounds of burnout, and there's a reason for it. Because if you've been doing this service work for any amount of time, you understand that inherently there are issues of scope creep. There are times when you set a project, you undervalue your worth, and you end up working harder than ever before, making less than you would make if you just had a regular job. There are also issues of the fact that I was running my business for the first several years while doing everything as one-off projects. The idea of holding down monthly retainers was a little bit foreign to me, and plus, I didn't want to continually be glued to my computer screen to do work and have those expectations for the long run with clients. And then in 2020, I stumbled on something entirely different. I discovered the world of software recurring income and how you can build monthly recurring revenue that businesses will pay you that they would pay software companies anyway. I cannot wait to dive into this opportunity, and not only am I going to show you exactly what I have learned and how it has helped me feel more at ease, actually take a vacation, actually enjoy my time at the computer, and more importantly, carve out more time away from the computer and actually pay off those student loans, but more importantly, set myself up for a better retirement. And if that's what you want, not only am I going to be covering that in my masterclass, I'm also going to give you the resources to help you take that next step forward. You see, after all, I win when you win. And that is what is so powerful about this time in history with AI, automation, and software. And so I am super excited for you to join me. Just click below, go ahead and get registered, and I'll see you there. It will be live. You can ask me any of your questions. It is one of those things where when you're in the room and you hear it, you can't unhear it, and it will be beneficial to your future. I'm excited to see you there.